I used to get sick every winter, until I started this one simple tonic. No shots, no meds, and it tastes like fire. I'm talking about Fire Cider, the natural, fiery tonic that's been a secret weapon for herbalists for decades. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to make it at home, why it's called the ultimate flu fighter, and how to use it. What is Fire Cider? Fire Cider is a powerful, traditional herbal tonic popularized by herbalist Rosemary Gladstar in the 1970s. It's essentially raw apple cider vinegar infused with potent, spicy ingredients like garlic, ginger, horseradish, onion, cayenne pepper, and often extras like turmeric, lemon, and herbs. Known as a folk remedy, it's celebrated for supporting the immune system, fighting off colds and flu, acting as a natural decongestant, aiding digestion, and providing anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial benefits from its ingredients. Benefits. Why call it the ultimate natural flu fighter? Garlic and onion, natural antimicrobials to fight germs. Ginger and horseradish, clear congestion and boost circulation. Cayenne, fires up your system and helps with inflammation. Apple cider vinegar, probiotic rich for gut health and overall immunity. Many say it shortens colds, eases sore throats, and keeps you strong all season. It's like a natural wellness shot. Step-by-step recipe. Let's make it. You'll need a large jar, quart or bigger. Ingredients. Base recipe, feel free to tweak. 1/2 cup grated fresh horseradish. 1/2 cup chopped onion. 1/4 cup minced garlic, about 8 to 10 cloves. 1/4 cup grated fresh ginger. 2 to 3 hot peppers. Cayenne, jalapeno sliced. Optional power-ups: turmeric root, lemon zest, juice, rosemary, thyme. Fill the jar halfway with these chopped goodies. Pour in raw apple cider vinegar to cover everything completely. Seal it tight. Store in a cool, dark place for 4 to 6 weeks. Shake daily. After steeping, strain out the solids. Compost them. Then stir in 1/4 to 1/2 cup raw honey to taste. It balances the fire with sweetness. Bottle it up and keep it in the fridge. It may last up to a year. How to use it. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons daily as prevention, straight, in water, tea, or salad dressing. Feeling sniffly? Up it to 3 times a day. Mix with honey for a soothing cough remedy, or add to soups and marinades. Pro tip: dilute it to protect your teeth. Fire Cider isn't a miracle cure, but it's an easy, affordable way to support your body naturally. I've been making batches every fall, and it helps me stay ahead of bugs. Give it a try and let me know in the comments, did it work for you?